Get ready to tantalize your taste bud as we master the art of making a delicious Nigerian waffle. To my fellow foodies, welcome back to my channel, where we bring to you the yummiest recipe from around the world. Today, we are diving into a delightful world of breakfast with a Nigerian twist. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. For us to make our waffles, the most important ingredient we'll be needing is the flour. I am using the all-purpose flour, and this is a versatile flour you can use for any kind of baking. The next is the baking powder. Of course, we need sugar for our sweet tooth lovers. I will be using Hollandia evap. This Hollandia evap is equivalent to half cup of milk. So if you're making use of the powdered milk, that means you'll be needing 1 cup of water to dissolve the milk. But since you're making use of this Hollandia evap, I will just need half cup of water. This is my half cup of water I'll be using for this recipe. We need salt for taste. We'll be making use of 1 egg. Then, if you want to be extra, you can add your flavor. Margarine. I am using King's margarine, but then I won't be using all of these. Measurement to this recipe is in my description box. So first thing you need to do if you want to make waffles is to melt your butter. You have to do this and set aside so that before you're done with other things, it will get to cool down. Remember, you're not cooking this butter, rather you're trying to melt this butter. So do this at the lowest temperature you have and then set aside. It is very important to always sieve your flour whenever you're working with anything that have to do with flour. The importance of sieving this flour is to separate the particles in the flour from the actual flour. So you can see that after sieving it, this was what I got, so I need to dispose this. I'll be introducing my baking powder to the mixture, then add salt, add my sugar to it. Mix all the dry ingredients together. I need to create a hole inside these dry ingredients while I prepare my egg. I am trying to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. I don't want the egg yolk to mix up with the egg white, so I'm trying to be careful in separating these from mixing up together. When you're done separating the egg white from the egg yolk, don't dispose the egg yolk. Keep it, you're still going to need it, okay? So we need to whisk this egg white. You can use an electric hand mixer, or you can use your fork or your manual whisk. Anyone you feel comfortable with. These two I have it. You might get tired easily because you need to whisk this to the fluffiest part of it. So for the work to be easier for me, I love to use my electric hand mixer. So this is the highlight for me whenever I'm baking. I love that sound it makes. I feel so satisfied instead of stressing myself with the manual. Guys, tell me under the comment section if you love that sound or if that sound irritates you. So I am done mixing this, and this is the outcome of the egg white. Guys, tell me under the comment section if you think with the manual whisk you can be able to achieve this. I'm not really sure, but if you think you can, just tell me under the comment section. I might try this out. So you remember that time I told you not to dispose your egg yolk, right? You remember, B? So we are using it now. Now we are introducing the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient. So pour in your egg yolk, your milk. So I hope you remember we previously melted our butter, so it's time for you to bring it. Pour in your butter into your mixing bowl. You can now add your flavor. This is vanilla flavor. Now you can fold in your butter. Remember to fold this gently. Don't overmix it. Now you can add remaining half cup of water to your batter. If you want your waffle to come out nice, don't overmix this egg white. So just fold in gently until you're done incorporating it partially. You You will need to grease your waffle machine. Make sure to apply the butter or the oil to all corners of this machine. Then you proceed to pour in or to scoop in the mixed ingredients to the waffle making machine. 2 minutes later, I had to check my waffle making machine to see how my waffle is going, and as you can see, this is perfectly fine. I had to close it for 1 more minute, and then look at that. Can you perceive the mouth-watering aroma of these waffles? Get ready to have your waffles, but then you need to garnish it. Now it's time to garnish this waffle. This stage is optional. I am using a strawberry to garnish my own, so I had to cut the strawberry into 2, place it on top of it, and then add few grapes to it. You can use any kind of fruits available to garnish yours. Just flex around with it. Then you drizzle with your desired syrup. Guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video to your loved ones. Guys, I also have a video on my channel on how to make this parfait, so that is why you need to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share my video to your loved one, because this will encourage me to create more amazing content for you. I have a video on how to make the best yogurt in town. When I say the best, this is the best yogurt in town. And then I have a special video for all the mothers who would like to have a healthy baby like this. I also have a video on how to make syruping powder. Then for my healthy and fit farm family, I have a video for you as well. I have a video on how to make a tasty and crunchy granola. So turn on your notification bell so that you'll be getting an alert when I post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye. Do and post more video. I also have on how to make waffles.